What's up YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not subscribed already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I'm going to take you on a home theater tour through a SVS 7.1 system with an SI Zero Edge Pro screen and a Epson 4050 with Marantz and a bunch of other goodies. So I'm going to take you into the space and show you around. If you would like to purchase anything home theater related, we have all the top manufacturers and the guaranteed lowest price on every product with nationwide free shipping and a free design service. We really appreciate your support and would love to create your dream home system. All right guys, let's check this room out. Okay guys, in this particular theater, it's a really cool layout. The front door is right here and it's theater time. So you're gonna hear the acoustics dramatically change as I walk into the space. Listen to my voice now. In dedicated home theater, we always recommend that you have carpet. You can also do acoustic treatments to go to the next level. This customer went with the SVS Ultra setup. You got your Ultra bookshelves for the front left and front right and the Ultra center down below. This is a killer system. You guys know we really like SVS here at Dreamedia and are now a direct nationwide authorized dealer, have been for some time. So we can get you hooked up no matter where you are in the country with that low price guarantee and the free shipping. So this is the front sound stage. Really sharp looking speakers. They're really affordable. SVS is known for producing quality that doesn't break the bank. Now down here we have the SB 4000 and the piano gloss. Actually everything in this system is piano gloss. Make sure to stay tuned guys, because here in a minute I'm going to play a demo of the system. It performs really well. This is the rack. In the rack, I'm actually thinking about making a separate video about this unit right here. This client lives out in the country, further out of the city, and the internet is, you know, not really great. So this is a cool system that converts the Blu-rays over to basically the hard drive, and then you can play it. It's like a little computer. They got their surge protection, and this is the brain of the system, the Marantz 5014. The 5014 is passing through the video to the projector as well as amplifying and processing all the audio. So it is definitely like the brain of the system. We also have the Harmony Pro control system in here, so one button press touchscreen. The watt box, this is really cool. It has these tubes in it, and I sell this with the Strong FS series rack, which you see right here, the FS series, all the time. The FS series comes shipped right to your door with these fans built in, all the side panels, this glass door, everything, and it's really affordable. We even have free shipping on this giant unit that comes fully assembled right to your door like this. But this watt box bolts right in, rack mountable, and it has tube lights here on the bottom. So if you're needing to get in here whenever you're watching a movie and you don't have a giant light like this, you can pop those tubes out like that. And it kind of illuminates the front, and it looks cool whenever the rack is closed. Check it out. It's the little things for sure. Okay, so let's keep on going through. As far as sources, the client has the Sony PlayStation, and then the hubs down there, and then they have the DirecTV 4K. Satellite internet is what they have, and then satellite DirecTV for television. This rack is sold in all different sizes, guys. You can get super tiny ones, or you can get really large ones. Continuing through the space, we have the Ultra surrounds, and this is a bipolar speaker, so on both sides you have a woofer and a tweeter firing in both directions, which is traditionally exactly what you do for a 7.1, because you want that audio to transfer through the space really realistically and allow the people sitting here as well as the people sitting here to get the same experience. Now, at the rear, we got the elevation speakers for the rears. The reason is because you can't really get a speaker there. It'll be blocked or hit with the door. So in this situation, the client just opted for a 7.1, and it's pretty awesome. It works well. This is the projector. This is the Epson Pro Cinema 4050. You guys know I use this unit a lot because the 4050 comes with a projector mount and a spare bulb, and it's E-shift, not native 4K, but with the 3-year warranty and all those perks of the bulb and the mount, it's really hard to beat. It's just a great value. It's just right over $2,000. Now, the screen. You guys know I love Screen Innovations. This is the Screen Innovations Pure White Zero Edge Pro with the backlit Philips Hue IP kit on it. And the IP kit allows you to basically control it over the internet. The IR is also an option, and you just point it. So this is the remote right here. One button press, touch screen. So you can see like the client has the different options laid out for watch TV, play a movie, watch DVD, the Fire Stick, Hulu, Prime Video, Netflix, PS3, and so on. So if you want to operate something, you just hit one button and you can control, it'll fire everything up, turn it all to the right input, and then you just control it. So this particular remote here is definitely one of our best sellers, because not only can you control your entire system at a very reasonable price point, but it's a consumer grade product. So the client can actually make changes on his iPhone. You set it all up on your iPhone or Android, on your phone. You can also do it on the tablet, but it's just super easy. It's like guided setup. And then the client can also make the changes themselves rather than having to pay the service fees of $150 an hour, which we don't like to do service fees either. So the combination of that, as well as the fact that we have so many clients around the country DIYing it, and we made a ton of DIY videos, this Harmony Pro system is definitely a great choice. Okay, well, I think that's it. Let's go ahead and do this demo, guys.
Jarvis, what's the view from upstairs?
Strucker's technology is well beyond any other Hydra base we've taken.
So lost. Cap just said language.
All right, guys, check it out. This is a little behind the scenes here. The client put some doors in his garage to access the media room, or I guess the builder did, to access the media room, so that if you need to service it, you just open these up and pop the back panel off like this. And there you can access everything. The strong rack's awesome, guys. It comes fully assembled like this with all the side doors and everything. But just wanted to show that to you. Woo! Man, that sounded really good. For a 7.1 system, the client's super happy. I'm happy. You guys will have to let me know how it turned out in the YouTube video. Make sure to drop some comments down below and give me a big thumbs up. If you guys would like to purchase anything for your home theater, make sure to give us a ring. We have all of the industry-leading top brands, manufacturers to offer to you with that low price guarantee and free shipping. And we have a free design service. So if you have a theater or even a home you're building and you just don't know what to do, or you would like some advice, that's what we're here for. We would love to talk with you and create a dream system for you. Okay guys, well, till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.